Life 3.9 million years ago. How did early humans protect their families? Imagine living in a world where every single day is a test of survival, not just for yourself, but for the ones you love. It is 3.9 million years ago. The Earth is wild, dangerous, and unforgiving. Early humans are small, vulnerable, and fragile in the face of powerful predators. The forests echo with the roars of big cats, the growls of hyenas, and the cries of giant birds of prey. Every sound in the night could mean death. And yet, even in this terrifying age, families existed. Groups of mothers, fathers, and children, huddled together, fighting not just for survival but for one another. How did they do it? How did early humans protect their families in a world designed to destroy them? The answer lies in their instincts. Alone, they were weak. But together, they became stronger. Families formed the first groups, and groups formed the first communities. At night, they gathered closely in caves and under rocky shelters, keeping the children in the center, shielded by the adults. Stones and branches became their weapons. Their voices became alarms, shouting together to drive predators away. Every parent carried the same fear we carry today, the fear of losing a child. That fear sharpened their courage. Even without fire, without strong walls, without weapons, they stood against the beasts of the night, because to lose family was to lose everything. Mothers gathered food in daylight, teaching children what was safe to eat. Fathers and elders watched the horizon, ready to warn of danger. Everyone had a role, for family was survival. The stronger defended the weaker, the older guided the younger, and children were taught from their first steps that life was dangerous, but unity meant strength. Predators soon learned that a group of humans, shouting together, throwing stones and wielding sticks, was not easy prey. They moved as one, protecting their families with courage born out of desperation. And slowly, through these daily battles, humanity's first lesson was written. Survival is not about strength alone. It is about protecting those you love. So when you think of early humans, don't imagine them only as hunters or wanderers. Imagine them as parents, as protectors, as people who, like us, would do anything to keep their families safe. Because even 3.9 million years ago, love was stronger than fear.